Have you ever wished your garden could do more than just grow plants? Imagine a garden that actually improves the soil, fights climate change, and nourishes your body and soul. That's the magic of regenerative gardening. It's a way of growing food that works with nature, not against it. Instead of depleting the soil, it makes it healthier over time. This type of gardening is not only good for the planet, but it's incredibly rewarding on a personal level. Regenerative gardening is all about creating a self-sustaining ecosystem in your backyard. It's about mimicking the natural processes found in healthy forests and meadows. By using specific techniques, we can build soil fertility, conserve water, and grow nutrient-rich food, all while minimizing our impact on the environment. This approach stands in stark contrast to conventional gardening, which often relies on chemical fertilizers and pesticides that can harm the soil and our health in the long run. Regenerative gardening is a holistic approach that sees the garden as a web of interconnected life, where the health of one element influences the health of all. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the incredible benefits of regenerative gardening and explore practical ways to get started. So get ready to dig in and discover the transformative power of this earth-friendly approach to growing food. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on regenerative gardening. We often take the soil for granted, but it's a living, breathing ecosystem teeming with billions of microorganisms. These tiny creatures are essential for breaking down organic matter, releasing nutrients, and creating a healthy environment for plants to thrive. Conventional gardening practices, with their reliance on chemical fertilizers and tilling, can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to soil erosion, nutrient depletion, and a decline in soil biodiversity. Regenerative gardening, on the other hand, focuses on nurturing the soil food web. By using compost, cover crops, and other organic methods, we feed the soil and encourage the growth of beneficial microbes. This helps to improve soil structure, increase water retention, and create a more resilient growing environment. Healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy garden, and a healthy garden is the foundation of a healthy planet. By focusing on soil health, we create a ripple effect that benefits the entire ecosystem. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a deeply rewarding experience that connects us with nature and nourishes our well-being. The simple act of digging in the dirt, planting seeds, and watching them grow can have a profound impact on our mental and physical health. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and boost creativity. Gardening, in particular, provides a sense of accomplishment and purpose as we witness the fruits of our labor. The physical activity involved in gardening, from digging and planting to weeding and harvesting, provides a gentle form of exercise that can improve cardiovascular health, strength, and flexibility. It's a great way to get some fresh air, sunshine, and vitamin D, all while connecting with the natural world. Section 4. Food as it should be, packed with flavor and nutrients. Have you ever noticed that fruits and vegetables from a home garden just taste better than store-bought produce? That's because they're fresher, haven't been transported long distances, and are grown in healthy soil that's teeming with nutrients. Regenerative gardening takes this a step further by focusing on building soil health. When plants have access to all the nutrients they need from the soil, they're able to produce more vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This means that food grown using regenerative practices is not only more flavorful, but also more nutritious, contributing to our overall health and well-being. It's a win-win situation for both our taste buds and our bodies. Section 5. A greener thumb for a greener planet. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, but the good news is that regenerative gardening can be a powerful tool in the fight against global warming. How does gardening help the planet? Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis, storing the carbon in their leaves, stems, and roots. When we practice regenerative gardening, we enhance this carbon-capturing ability of plants. Additionally, by minimizing soil disturbance, using cover crops, and avoiding chemical inputs, we help to sequester even more carbon in the soil, effectively removing it from the atmosphere. This makes regenerative gardening a climate-friendly solution that benefits both the planet and future generations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel and stay updated with our latest videos.